There's a storm a-brewing. Experts say we are in line for a direct hit. It is imperative that you get to your safe space now. One night only. Friday, April 11th at Lucky Shots. Noise Pollution. Noise Pollution, an unforgettable AC/DC experience. Tickets available now, just $25. An unforgettable AC/DC experience. From coast to coast, from Canada to Latin America, Noise Pollution continues to perform sold-out shows. Tickets available now, just $25. Noise Pollution, a Brian Johnson-approved AC/DC experience. Hey, listen, this is the rock and roll granddaddy of them all, people. Don't miss this show. Friday, April 11th, Noise Pollution at Lucky Shots. I've said enough already.